My name's Lewis Ashton Pyatt and we're currently in Thistle Hotel in London on the Samuel Leeds Rent-to-Rent Financial Freedom Challenge. Yeah. So what we're learning is essentially how to finance a rent-to-rent deal, how to set one up, how to set all your properties up separately on one website. So we have Avivo here who are able to put all of your rent-to-rent deals on one website for you to take all the bookings in one place. We've learned how to basically source your tenants, how to manage your tenants to make sure you don't have any troublemakers, you don't have anyone causing damage to your property or causing disruption to your other tenants. There's quite a lot, yeah. Samuel's energy is it's crazy, and that's why there's so many people here, because as seen in his YouTube videos, he's quite expressive, quite dramatic, and that attracts a lot of attention. And the high tempo, high energy feeds off and like rubs off on other people, and he purposely uses that in some of his sessions. Like, he gets people all excited, jumping up, like dancing around, getting the energy up. So it's quite useful, really.
Have you seen money being made in the room, or deals being made, staging?
Yeah, I mean, like, they show them on the screen sometimes. So like, they'll show us like a perfect deal that they have made themselves, the tutors and the mentors. But like other academy members, I mean, like many of them have got up to speak and told us about deals that they have made, BRRs, deals that they're about to make. So yeah, plenty of money being made here, absolutely, yeah.
Final question, what would you say to somebody who's thinking about coming down to the event?
I would say absolutely, like, I recommend it to anyone. I mean, this is the last live event in person. It is moving to digital events now, so that can be more convenient, but the in-person events were much better. This is the last one. So, it is unfortunate that you'd be missing out on the live events, but the virtual events would just be as immersive. You can network with just as many people, and you can probably get a bit more personal with some of the mentors because they'll have more time available in between their appointments.